Hello everyone, welcome to Study Room. This is Anvesha, your biology educator, and in this chapter we will be studying about the control and coordination in different organisms. We'll be talking about the nervous system in animals and the control and coordination that happens in plants. We'll be also talking about the hormones that are present in animals which help to carry messages from one part of the body to different parts of the body and help us perform the day-to-day activities in our life. Now, why do we need to study this chapter? This is a very important question. Before reading the chapter, we need to understand that why do we need to study this chapter? Now, you can see there are few images that a cat is jumping over a wall or a man is performing a kind of movement here which is very controlled. Okay, so why do this kind of movements happen? The possible answer is that we think of a movement as a response to a change in the environment of the organism. The cat may be running because it has seen a mouse. Not only that, we also think of movement as an attempt by living organisms to use changes in their environment to their advantage. Now, plants grow out in the sunshine. Why do they grow out in the sunshine? In order to receive more sunshine, they grow in the direction of the sunshine. Children try to get pleasure and fun out of swinging. So they try to do that because they get fun. They try to make it according to their advantages. Buffaloes chew cud to help break up tough food so as to able to digest it properly. So they are doing all these movements just to make their environment according to their advantage. Now, if we think a bit more about this, it becomes apparent that all these movement in response to the environment is carefully controlled. As you can see, the man is moving just on these blocks, and it is very controlled. How he has maintained his balance, as you can see, he has maintained his balance, and this movement is carefully controlled. Each kind of a change in the environment evokes an appropriate movement in response. When we want to talk to our friends in our class, then we whisper. We do not shout very loudly. Why do we do so? Just because that the environment is not suitable to shout loudly. It is suitable that we talk very slowly, so that the silence of the class is maintained properly. Clearly, the movement to be made depends on the event that is triggering it. Therefore, such controlled movement must be connected to the recognition of various events in the environment, followed by only the correct movement in the response. In other words, living organisms must use systems providing control and coordination. In keeping with the general principles of the body organization, in multicellular organisms, specialized tissues are used to provide these control and coordination activities. So in this chapter, we will be studying about those specialized tissues and the organs that are responsible for the control and coordination in our body. So let us move ahead and know about these things in the next videos.